Hi friends, welcome. So today I'm going to bring you with me to one of my all-time favorite stores, and we're going to go to IKEA. I know a lot of people talk about IKEA, and not everyone has an IKEA close to them. So I like to do videos like this because if you have to drive someplace to go to it, sometimes it's nice to see some of the things that are there so you can make the decision if the trip is worth it. For me, IKEA is about an hour away from my house, but it is within the vicinity of where I work. So I can stop on my way home from work sometimes, which makes it quite a bit easier for me. And there are just so many wonderful, wonderful pieces you can get from IKEA. So we're gonna go inside and, I'll try and give you a little bit of variety as I shop. So friends, I'm going to try and give you a good sampling. I'm going to put this on a little bit of a fast mode so that it will go pretty quick. And if some things look a little choppy, I'm really trying to keep people out of it. But look at these lights. Oh my gosh, they were so cute, $49. And then I found these cute little kids dishes, $2.49 for each thing, like the plates, the cups, the spoons. What a really good deal. Pick those up for my grandkids. This glass jar for $1.79. Super cute. You could hold so many things in this. Now, my favorite place is at the very end of this video, but look at all the greenery IKEA has. IKEA is known for having so many plants and so many options for putting them in. This is just a small space. Near the end, we'll get to the plant area, and that will really show you, but my favorite spot is at the end, and that's just where it comes up. So I wanted to give you a good sort of view of many different shelving options. They have so many options for shelving if you're trying to do your office or your craft room or to organize. So I'm just sort of going through trying to let you see all the different options. And if it's a little bit choppy at times, please know that I'm trying to be mindful and cut people out of it because, they don't want to be in my video. So this little table here, look how thin it is. And then it opens up. So I thought that was super cute. But there are just so many options for shelving. There's these different ones that hang on the wall, and then you push it and the drawer comes out. Couple different color options, and then some different shelving. There are so many shelving options, and then these are your color options for your shelves that float on the wall. And then the Hemmings, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but these are the bookshelves a lot of people use. And there's, different ones, different color options. And then I'm just going to show you some of the other ones and the difference in how they look. And then some of them like the background. So this looks like a wood plank background. And this one, the background is sort of pebbled. Now, for craft tables, so this is two put together here, and that was the Alex tables with a tabletop. And then these are great little storage items or options, and then you buy the bins separately. The bins are $5 a piece. Again, a table put together. So these are those Alex tables. And this is what a lot of people do. So they do the Alex. It comes in multiple different colors. I'm going to show you some of the different color options. And then you buy the tabletop piece that you want and put over top of it. And then the Alex also comes, as you saw, in the wheels. And then there was one tall one. Okay, so these right here, These cork trivets are great. They come in a pack of 3 for either $3.99 or $4.99, and I buy the napkin holder and put 3 in each side. Fits perfectly. And these scrub brushes are my favorite. So they are $1 more than the Dollar Tree ones, but they are so good. And then also the dish drainers here, they're also $1 more than the Dollar Tree, but they're twice as size. So super good deal there. Now these are the bag holders that everyone uses, including myself, to hold their rolls of vinyl. So this is what they look like, and they're $3.99 a piece. That's how they come. And then this, I'm really just wanting to show you all the different options they have available for storage containers. There are just so many colors, so many sizes, so many shapes. You can put them together in many different ways. So solutions for your office, for organization, your craft room, they just really have it. And these are those little shelves. They're like the hanging wire shelves that have the hooks and you just hang things on them. They come in black, they come in wood and chrome, and then lots more just different little baskets. These little shelves I thought were pretty cute. It says that it's a nightstand. It's kind of small for that, but this would be a great little shelf to be out for plants. And then these bins are so awesome. They have tops. They're huge. Now this, look at this. You could store craft paper in there. You could store your shoes. Like, it's thin, could go against the wall super easy. And then art supplies, that's an apron, long sleeve apron for $3.49. They have just so much art supplies, like tons of paint, scissors, markers. This big pack of markers you're going to see in a minute, it's like $3.39. Like, so perfect. And then lots of food. Oh, these dish towels were so cute. I got those. These are my favorite storage bags. I get them every time I come. They have them in 3 different sizes. And so these are to go over like food that you've cut. But when I first started doing tumblers, I used them to go over the top of the tumblers because they're silicone and nothing stuck to them. Look at all these cute little trays they have. Like, there are so many options. Just absolutely adorable. So many price points. Now, I want to show you this because this is polyester. It's $4.49. It is the cover for a pillow, a throw pillow, and you can sublimate on it. These sublimate beautiful. And besides the ones that you can do sublimation on, if you just need pillows, look at this. Their textiles are to die for. They have every color you can imagine. It is the same way in sheets and blankets and rugs. I want you to just see how many choices they have in rugs and at so many different price points. Like, they have just beautiful rugs, all different sizes, all different textures, colors, and again, so many different price points to fit your budget. So I love buying my rugs here. These are just beautiful. And I mean, I have had really good luck with the things that I have bought. The quality, has, really been decent. I like this rug here. So nice. And then I also like this one. Look at that. That's beautiful. And it's a nice big rug. If I didn't have a little puppy, I would get that. I might come back and get that when she's not a puppy anymore. And then baskets. Look at it, all the baskets. I mean, like whatever you could possibly be looking for, you're going to find it. They have so many baskets. And again, many different price points on the baskets, but just super nice. Now, these are my favorite laundry baskets. These things are amazing, and they're great if you're doing a baby shower gift. And then just all kinds of, different tools that you need, different caddies. And again, just so many options for organization. Like, it's just incredible. So these are some of my favorite. I love these. We use these to store away the kids' clothes as they grow out of them. I use it to put like clothes from different seasons in. That's the lamp I have in my laundry room, and they just have an incredible selection of lighting. So that lamp, I got it in gray, and it was a color they discontinued, so I got the lamp for like $30 a couple years ago. And then these are the picture ledges. I love these. You can use these to put books on, of course, pictures. I want to show you all the different sizes and the different colors. Now this one is new. And then here we are with the plants. Like, they have got the best plants. I love these little hanging ones here. But I just want you to see how much options there are for like the plants and the different pots and stuff to go with them. Just incredible, incredible options. And some of their plants, they do have real plants as well as faux plants. So these 1 bins here, I'm thinking that when my fence gets put up, right here they are again, I'm going to put those over my fence and grow like tomatoes and stuff in them, right? And look at this water spritzer. It's so cute. I had to get it. $4.99. Like, super, super cute. And there's so many things I didn't show you guys because, again, the video would just be so long. And, and there is the caddy. Oh, look, some more little shelves. And then we're going to go into my favorite spot. If you are a DIYer, this is just the best place. So it's the last chance spot. And this is just things that are being discontinued, colors that are being discontinued. Maybe a box was open. All different reasons why they put it in here. You can find so much stuff, but then also you can find like pieces of wood. You can find like glass, like window panes, like so many different things that you can use for DIY. Like, it is just one of my favorite spots, and I have found some incredible deals in here. Again, sorry it's choppy. Look at all the food there. I'm trying to cut people out, and then I sped it up so it wouldn't take forever. But I hope you liked it. I hope that it wasn't too fast. Well, I hope you enjoyed my trip to IKEA. I found some cute little items, and of course there's a million things I always want to buy. I'm planning on eventually doing that pack system in my closet, but I hope I showed you enough. In order to show you all the great things that IKEA has, this video would have been hours and hours long. So hopefully I got enough for you, and I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful if you're trying to decide if it's worth making a trip to IKEA, especially if IKEA is not neighborhood. You got to drive a bit for it. But I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.